what I do is I try to customize it as much as I can so that we can make the most of the time.
Yes.
The whole program is only just 1 day. It's six
Oh.
hours, and I offer it to companies. But for a company, I can talk to their training director and say, "Oh, what do you think are the because they've done maybe TNA or something. What do you think
Mm-mm.
your employees need most?" And I would
Mm.
tailor the examples, the workshop itself on the things that they need help on.
Mm.
So like it's about creating the reports or uh, creating a project management plan or
Mm.
whatever it is they are having difficulty goal setting, meeting their
Mm.
objectives, etc. Planning, all of these things,
Mm.
whatever it is that comes up in the discussion, that's what we focus on during the workshop. I teach them how to get the most out of a generative AI by teaching
Yeah.
them how to craft a
The
very,
prompts.
very good prompt,
Yeah.
okay, and how to iterate on it so that they can extract the best answer.